party people, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are testing out some viral false lashes. Now, if you're a regular on my channel, then you'll know I do not wear false lashes. I know it's not the influencer beauty guru way. I know that everyone wears them in every single video, for every look, every tutorial, every get ready with me, and I'm just not about that life. I have a really hard time applying false lashes to myself. I can do it on other people, but when it comes to myself, it's just a constant struggle bus. I just can't get the method down pat. They always end up sticking up in my inner corner. They just pop up throughout the day. They feel really heavy. It feels like my eyes are very tired, and I just can't get them close enough to the lash line. So I just avoid them. But the other day I came across an article that kind of sucked me in. So this is an Eylure article, and it says these $8 Eylure lashes are going viral on Instagram. So this was back in December of 2017, and apparently the girl who made them go viral on Instagram, I don't know who she is. I haven't seen the viral post, but her name is Emily DeMello. She is from England, so here's what she looks like. Here are the lashes on her. Very, very beautiful girl, and the lashes look so bomb. So I kept reading. So here's what they look like. These are the Opulent style. These are only like $8, so these are very, very affordable, and they're very fluffy and long and voluminous, but I mean, in false lash world, these are probably more of like a natural lash, but to me, these look hella extra. But the person writing this article says that they stay away from falsies because they often look way too over the top and borderline costumey on small eyes, which I do agree, and I have very small eyes, and to me, I can't get them to look quite right. But it says these have a natural looking wispiness to them. They're arranged in a crisscross pattern instead of jutting straight out. They add so much length without looking really intense. And this person also said, I also hate how heavy and uncomfortable fake lashes can feel. But Emily says that these were super soft, lightweight, due to their faux mink feel. They have a flexible strip that helps cut down on the irritation. Here's what the lashes look like up close. They feel very, very soft, very fluffy. They almost feel like feathers, and it also comes with the adhesive in here. And I lucked out and found these bad boys on Octoly, so I ordered them. So just to go ahead and give you the little spiel, Octoly is a website for creators, bloggers, influencers, pretty much anyone that reviews stuff. They send you stuff for free. You give your honest opinion. You don't have to say good things about something if you don't like it. They don't pay you. You're not affiliated or anything. So yeah, completely unbiased. So I'm gonna wear these throughout the day. I'm gonna check back in and let you guys know what my experience is with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these on. So I do want to kind of take you guys with me so that you can see if it's a struggle or not. Hopefully it's not. Okay, so this adhesive is a kind that has like a little, like it's not really an applicator, but it's a little stick in a way, so you don't have to squeeze it out, which I like. Let's go ahead and line these up with my eyes and see if I'm going to need to cut any off. And I just applied a very, very light layer of mascara and just some black eyeshadow. So actually I think these will be a good fit. Okay, here we go. And this is the problem. Like, my hand is in the way of my sight. I can't see. How do people do this? They're on. Not feeling too good yet, but I mean, we did just stick them on. So I'm just gonna press the false lash in with my natural lash and kind of press them into the lash line. And then I also like to take the end of my tweezer and just make sure they're pressed down. Okay, so here's false lash versus no false lash, and they are very fluffy, very long, very, very pretty. They applied really easily. I will say I can feel them. They're not super lightweight yet. Again, maybe it's just because it hasn't dried yet and I haven't really, I haven't gotten used to the feeling yet. I'm not someone that wears false lashes all the time either, so obviously I do feel them more than someone that wears them every single day or more often than me. But I probably could have taken a little bit off just so it wasn't so close to my tear duct in here, because I mean, it is pretty far in towards my inner corner, so maybe I could have taken a little bit off. Alrighty guys, so here are the false lashes, and I feel like they look really, really pretty. They look very glam, but also in a more natural way. I did go in with a really light layer of mascara just to blend my lashes together. I went in with some black eyeshadow and also a really thin line of liquid liner just to cover up the band and the skin. Right now, I still feel them. They're not super comfortable yet. It still feels like I've got a caterpillar laying on my eyes right now, but I mean, it also feels a bit wet. Like, for some reason, false lashes on me, even after the glue dries, they always feel wet in the inner corner. Maybe it's not that they feel wet, it's just that I can feel the band on them. I don't really know, but like when I blink, ooh, oh, they're kind of itchy when I blink, but they look very, very pretty. So it's 3:30. I'm not gonna do like a big long wear test. It's not a foundation. We're just gonna wear them a little bit throughout the day, and I'll check back in whenever I'm about to take them off and let you guys know how they did. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alrighty guys, so it's time to bring this video to a close. So it is now 6:47, so I believe our initial time was like 3:30, so it's a little past 3 hours. But yeah, these are so flattering. They're so wispy and long and just fluffy, just a lot of fluffiness, and they feel very, very soft to the touch. And I don't have any problems right now with them popping up or anything in the inner or outer corners. That could be because of the band, it could be because of the curve, or it could be because of the lash glue, because I've never tried that lash glue before, so maybe that made a difference. I'm not really sure. They did start feeling better after about 10 or 15 minutes after I'd applied them. They didn't feel super lightweight, like it didn't feel like there was nothing on, but I mean, they felt better than when they did when I first got done applying them. So about like normal, but they haven't really improved any since then. They feel about the same as they did at that point. I still feel them in the inner corner. Maybe I just need to kind of pull them back a little bit, not put them so far inward, but I don't feel like you're supposed to do that. I feel like you're supposed to go like where your inner lashes stop. Like, oh, when I blink, oh, that hurts. Like it feels very sharp. So yeah, maybe I just need to not put them in, like not put them so far in and just kind of bring them out a little bit more. I don't really know. What do you guys think? Am I doing it wrong? As far as the look of them, I think these lashes are absolutely gorgeous. I feel like they're definitely worth it for $8. They are very high quality, very top notch. Like I feel like these look like high-end lashes that you would pay like $25 for. That is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel because why not? And then hit the notification bell, because what's the point of subscribing if you're not gonna actually see my videos? And then when you do that, make sure you comment below #partypeople to let me know you're part of my party people squad, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.